to my channel. My name is Trinisha. It's always a pleasure to have you stop by. Here at Wildly Bloom Me, we grow boldly and bloom wildly because growth is never perfect. Yes, this is another Vlogmas. I know, guys. I know. I tell you, I say this every video. Forgive me, for I have, fallen. I let one setback put me back, but we're back. We're back on track. Yeah. We fall down when we get up. But this video is all about a nice berry lip tutorial. So as you know, everybody loves a nice little juicy lip. So I was like, let's do that. We did red, we did a 90s look. So why not berry? Let's do a berry look. So yes, let's do a berry look today. All right, to start off, we're gonna start off with good old faithful chestnut. Good old chestnut. Gotta love her, gotta love her. And just to lightly line the lips, just lightly. Nothing crazy, because it's not the star of the show. Light line, just because you want a little definition. And this is a step you can skip too, but I just love chestnut, so I was gonna find a way to incorporate it either way. All right, and then next we're going in with Night Moth. I know the pencil looks kind of beat up, so look away. But this is Night Moth, and that is what we're gonna use for most of the color that we're looking for. That very juicy color. You've seen that, yeah. It's coming together, guys. All right, perfect. So just a framework, a little juicy. And then the next we're gonna go for is a lipstick. And this is the MAC Maximal Matte Lipstick in the color Honeylove. You've seen me talk about this color before on YouTube, but it was on one of my YouTube shorts for one of those lip combos. And this is the color. It's kind of like a, there we go. It's like this little pinky color, which I think is super nice. So let's do that. I know it seems pretty bright, but trust the process. All right, and now to end it off with a bang, we are using the Fenty Lips Gloss. I think it's the Gloss Bomb. Ooh, that's that color. And Fuchsia Flex. I can't remember. I think this is the Gloss Bomb and the Fuchsia Flex. So you see, it's a very pretty color. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Let's put her in there. See? Yeah. Let's go closer. You need to see this up close. You see that? That looks really good. I'm gonna go over a little bit more with the liner on here just to get a little more. I don't need it, but I feel like doing it. I know you see them lips. I told you. So yes, if you want this same lip combo, you need to get the MAC Maximal Lipstick in Honeylove at 605, Night Moth MAC Lip Pencil, and then the Fenty Gloss Bomb in Fuchsia Flex. It's a little combo, juicy berry lips. I just love it. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, share with a friend. Thank you so much for watching another video of mine. You guys are like real people. You're real ones. You guys, you hold me down. You watch my videos. I really appreciate it. So if you loved it, like, subscribe, share with a friend. And until the next video, I got you guys. Let me know if there's any other combos you want me to do. If there's any specific video you want me to do, let me know. You know, I'm here for you guys, and you guys keep me going, so let me know. See you.